Good morning, dear children. Welcome in SST class. Children, chapter number 6, the coastal plains and the islands. Reading is going on. In my previous video, I told you about that our coastal plain region that is divided into two parts. Number 1, the western coastal plains, and number 2, the eastern coastal plains. And the western coastal plains that is also divided into three parts. The Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. And the eastern coastal plains that is also divided in two parts, the northern Sarkar and the Coromandel coast, isn't it? And I told you about few new terms also, as I told you about Gulf, a part of an ocean or sea extended into the land, that is called Gulf. And what is the meaning of coast? Land next to the sea or ocean. Okay, close to the sea or next to the sea. Okay, and what is the meaning of island? A land area surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about islands. Islands are land area surrounded by water on all sides. And we'll also discuss about the life in the western region, western coastal region. So children, let's start reading. Okay. So children, from page number 43, we'll read about at first islands. Okay. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Okay. You can see in the pic also. It's a pic of island. Okay. And here two groups of islands of India are Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. At first, we'll read about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It's a group of about 300 islands, big and small. Only a few of them are inhabited. What is the meaning of inhabited? Inhabited means place has people living in or on it. Okay. And the meaning of uninhabited means place has no people living in or on it. Right? By the people. The main occupation of the people of this island is fishing and farming. Okay. The Andaman Island lies 120 kilometers north of the Nicobar groups. It is located in the Bay of Bengal. The territory's capital is Port Blair. Okay. So the capital is Port Blair. So it is clear. So now you can see, do you know the 10-degree channel separates the island of Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. So 10-degree channel is a channel that separates the Andaman Island and Nicobar Island from each other in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. So 10-degree channel lies from east to west on 10-degree line of latitude north to the equator. Right. So you can see this is the pic of Cellular Jail. It's a national monument now. Telling you why it is national monument, because many freedom fighters were kept in this prison, in this jail, in the Cellular Jail. Okay. And during the struggle of India's independence, right? Now a national monument, beautiful beaches in the island that are the great attraction to the tourist. Okay. So now the Cellular Jail in Port Blair is very famous. When India was ruled by the British, many Indian freedom fighters were kept in this jail. Okay. So now we'll read about Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Islands. In 1956, the Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amini Divi, these are the groups of islands. Okay. You just keep in mind again, I'm telling you the name. Lakshadweep, Minicoy, Amini Divi. Okay. These are the group of islands and became a union territory. In 1973, this territory was renamed as Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea, close to the Malabar coast. They are not far from the mainland. Okay. So children, you just see, this is the people of Lakshadweep. Okay. And native tribes. Let me tell you about native tribes. A person born in a specified place or associated with a place by birth, वो native tribes होते हैं. Okay. So Lakshadweep Islands are small and flat. This group consists of 36 islands, only 10 islands are big enough for people to live on and earn their living. Most of the people here are engaged in agriculture. So main occupation here is agriculture. Life in the western coastal region. So this is all about the islands, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Islands. Now we'll read about life in the western coastal region. So children, now we'll discuss about the life in the western coastal region. Western coastal region includes the states Gujarat, okay, Gujarat, Goa, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala here, okay. And we'll read about at first Gujarat, here Gujarat, okay. So let's start reading from page number 43. Gujarat. Gujarat, the northern part of Gujarat is called the Run of Kutch. जो गुजरात का northern part है उसको बोलते हैं Run of Kutch, okay. And Gujarat is located in northwest India, isn't it? And Run of Kutch, this is the northern part of Gujarat. Most people of Gujarat are traders. What is the meaning of traders? Trading करते हैं, जो business करते हैं. And farmers. The main crops are jawar, bajra, cotton, wheat and sugarcane. And dairy farming is popular here. You know, na? There's a dairy farm at Anand. Milk and milk products are sent all over India from here, from Gujarat. Okay. So now you will see next page. In and around Anand, Amul, well known for its dairy products, is based here. The city has many textile mills also. टेक्सटाइल मिल्स होती हैं बेटा कन्वर्जन ऑफ फाइबर इनटू यार्न, और यार्न जो है उसको फैब्रिक में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है, ओके. एंड द सिटी हैज मैनी टेक्सटाइल मिल्स ऑल्सो. गांधीनगर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ गुजरात. अहमदाबाद इज द लार्जेस्ट सिटी इन गुजरात. एंड साबरमती आश्रम, हमने सुना है ना, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. साबरमती के संत महात्मा गांधी. Sabarmati Ashram located on the outskirt. So what is the meaning of outskirt? Means outer part of a town or city. Outskirt of Ahmedabad has been Mahatma Gandhi's home for many years. Now you can see here Sabarmati Ashram and here Gir National Park. This is the pictures. Okay. The Gir National Park is home to the Asiatic lion. The people of the state speak Gujarati. Men wear dhotis and long or short coats and Gandhi cap. Women wear saris. Ras Garba and Dandiya are most famous folk dances of Gujarat. Gujaratis eat rice, puri, vegetables, curd and pickles. And dhokla is their popular preparation. Somnath Temple, Dwarka of Krishna and Pobandar, the home of Mahatma Gandhi, are very famous places. And you know children, salt is made here, seawater along the sea, and this is also famous, okay. There are also many oil refineries in Gujarat, and Surat is famous for its diamond cutting, and this is the Surat, you can say Surat is famous for its diamond cutting, okay. So that's all about Gujarat. So now we'll talk about next state, that is Maharashtra. The coastal areas of Maharashtra lie on the Konkan coast. Konkan coast आपको मालूम है? Konkan coast कहाँ है? I just show you again. You can see here in the pic also. Here Konkan coast. Okay, Konkan coast. Clear? Well, now you will see the coastal areas of Maharashtra lie on the Konkan coast. And Mumbai, the capital city of Maharashtra, is the largest seaport of India and an important industrial center. Okay, and rice, pulses, mangoes, and other fruits are grown in many parts of Konkan coast. So clear? So you can see here peak of Konkan coast. It's also known as the financial and commercial center of India. Financial मतलब finance से related, money से related. Commercial making or intending to make a profit, commercial, okay, center of India. And Mumbai is the main center of the Indian film industries. There is a very rich oil field under the seabed at Mumbai High. So that's why Maharashtra is famous, okay. So you can see Konkan coast, peak of Konkan coast here, right? So now, next, Maharashtra, Gateway of India in Mumbai, that is the main tourist attraction, okay? Or we have already read about Maharashtra in previous chapters also. So now we'll talk about Goa, the south of Maharashtra. Okay, there is the state Goa. It's the India's smallest state. It has many beautiful beaches. Beaches, matlab seaside, sandy shore. Okay, beaches. And farming and fishing are the main occupation of the people of Goa. Rice, cashew nuts, supari and spices are the chief crops, main crops hai yahan pe. Coconut, palm are widely grown in the coastal areas. Mining is also an important industry. So you can see the pic also of mining. Mining means extracting minerals from the earth, means digging things out of the ground. That is called mining. So clear? You can see the beaches of Goa. Goa is famous for its beaches, right? So now you can see on next page, manganese and iron are found in plenty. Plenty means a large or sufficient amount. मतलब sufficient amount में यहाँ पे manganese और iron जो है वो मिलता है. Thousands of people visit Goa for its sun, sand and natural beauty. So, Church of St. Francis. Okay. So, Goa has some of the most famous churches in India. The remains of Saint Xavier have been kept in the Basilica of Bom Jesus. The Mahalakshmi Temple and Red Fort and Fort Agoda are a few other places of tourist attraction. And here you can see rice, vegetable, meat and fish are the main foods of the people of Goa. Men wear trouser and shirts, women wear skirt, blouse and saris. And Christmas is the major festival. Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Holi and Shingmo are celebrated, and Panaji is the capital of Goa. So children, today you have to read about these states, okay? And Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa, and you have to read about islands also, okay? And tomorrow we'll complete the chapter, we'll read remaining part, okay children? So have a wonderful time. Bye.